Hi, my name is Jewel and today I'll be doing focus assessment on peripheral vascular system. I'll be checking circulation, pulse, swelling on the skin color, capillary refill, and pitting edema. Let's begin. But first, I'll be washing my hands using alcohol to make sure I'm following proper infection control. Now I'll be starting at the arms. Both arms look symmetrical. The skin is warm and smooth. Now I'll be checking the radial pulse. Both the radial pulse are strong, regular, and equal. Now I'll be checking the capillary refill. Colors come back in less than 2 seconds, which is normal. Now I'll be checking the legs. There's no swelling. The skin is warm and smooth. Now I'll be checking the dorsalis pedis, which is found right here. And posterior tibial, which is found right here behind the ankle. Dorsalis pedis, posterior tibial. Both poles are present. Everything looks normal. Now I'll be checking the capillary refill in the toes. The color comes back in less than 2 seconds, which is normal. To sum up, I have checked the pulse, the skin color, the temperature, capillary refill, and now I'll be checking if there is pitting edema. I'll be pressing the lower leg for 5 seconds. There is no pitting edema, and our patients, everything is normal.